What's good, fam? Welcome back. Coming back to the channel with another banger. If you new to the channel, hit that red button down there for me. Hit that subscribe button.
I really record thing. I just. Mom, you gotta let me drive too. I'm about to drive over here. You coming? See me? I'm about to get close to a thing before you record.
I ain't had that. They said do.
Those got
They got something like that. You put all around your house and then they will not come up in there.
Well, y'all wanna know how I have done streets?
Right. Oh, you told me.
Y'all wanna go to the house and everybody put our house?
The first snakes that came out of the yard. You found them. And put out. What? Robert. Robert. Mama. Put it out. Oh.
My bad, y'all. We had a little minor little play. Tuning in with this family playing. You see this playing with that, you know, on the fourth, you know. He think he got some man. He ain't got nothing though. He ain't got nothing. Yeah, he's scared. He's scared. That's my brother, y'all. He's scared. He's scared. That bit busting though. That bit busting. Man, I ain't gonna get paid for this video. Hey, YouTube, don't demonetize this YouTube. Let me get that. Let me get that YouTube. Don't do that, YouTube. Don't demonetize me, man. Let me get that. It's 4th of July. These family members right here, y'all. That's my brother in the truck. Yeah. That nigga don't look like me, y'all. Look at the ugly ass nigga. Y'all, this my ugly sister right here. Y'all tell me if she look like me. Y'all comment in the post and tell me my ugly sister. It don't even fucking matter, baby, because I'm cute. She don't look like me. Y'all seen me on there. I be real cute on my shit. Y'all tell me if she look like me.
And guess what? I'm cute X-Men, so I can pop that thing and make it count. I'm 38. Pop that hoe.
Hey YouTube, let me get paid.
And we're in the car doing that thing, baby.
Do it.
Hey, holla at us. What?
Hold on. Let me go get my ugly brother in the camera. This is my ugly brother right here, YouTube. This nigga don't look like me.
Yeah,
but
nigga, that's real shit right there. That's real shit.
In the family.
You heard me? You heard me? I got some
old.
shit better than that though.
Man, listen, y'all hear that nigga talking? Hey, do he sound like me?
Don't fuck with me.
Y'all know that shit talking running in the family. Hey, YouTube, let me
shit.
go on and make it, YouTube. It's the 4th of July, YouTube.
That's real shit.
4th of July. Hey, that nigga bust my eardrum. If I'm hollering on this video, y'all can't hear that nigga bust that bitch in my ear. This my ugly nephew, y'all.
Y'all come fuck with us, you heard?
Hey, that drip running in the family. Y'all see that drip? Everybody dripping.
I don't even know why she won't let me shoot it.
My nephew trying to get in the family and the picture, y'all. Hey, you can't handle that boy.
I already shot it before.
They're gonna knock you out the truck.
I already shot it.
They're gonna knock you out the truck. You too young for that.
I already shot it.
Yeah,
twice.
look at my nephew, y'all. He think he dripped out, y'all.
This outfit out here. Get out the car.
That was my other fat nephew in the car. He think he dripped. I'm hostile on everybody, y'all. Y'all know I don't got no filter. No, this is my other fat nephew. He think he got swag, y'all. Look at this nigga think he got a little swag. He stole my shirt. He stole my shirt. I ain't tripping though. He stole my shirt, but he can make it. He got a little swag.
I wear it better.
Only cause I liked that shirt and my sister, you know, I let her get it.
Oh.
You know how it go. I let him get a little swag on. You can't. He's so black now, y'all can't even see and he black. Hey YouTube, hey y'all say hey to my mama YouTube. Everybody say hey mama.
Hey.
When y'all come in, y'all
How
say
you
hey
guys
mama.
doing?
Hey mama.
Hey, darling.
Hey, this the neighbor right here. He running. I don't know it. Hey, this Jerry or something. Y'all say hi to my mama
This
YouTube.
Mr. Jerry there.
Here go my nephew, y'all. Yeah, he got a lot of hair on him. This my nephew. Head full of hair. Hey, my great nephew, y'all. They trying to make me sound old with my great nephew. This is my other nephew, y'all. This is my oldest nephew, y'all. This my oldest nephew, y'all. Hey, don't none of these niggas look like me, y'all don't. Hey,
I look better than her.
Hey, and I look younger than all of them. Y'all know that. Here go my other. This is my older sister, y'all. This is my fat sister. This is what I call my fat sister.
Shit, fuck y'all and her. What's up? Happy 4th.
Hey, you two, let me go get that green light, you two. I'm outside today. Y'all, we just chilling out here. Y'all see it, we just chilling. I can't even put nothing in the video, you know, YouTube cut everything out.
Yeah, you hit.
Here go my other nephew. That my other nephew, y'all, it's his birthday. Y'all say happy birthday, that nigga. I'm finna end this video. I'm gonna get another one in a minute. Hey, make sure y'all turn on the post notifications, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you ain't already did to YouTube. I'm gonna post some fireworks later on. We like to do the sun go down. You hear me?
Stay on this side.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go.